the Guardian. If either of these things has happened, its hose port is down. Holding the closure strap, kneel on the reservoir and force water through the inlet hose. Make sure no air enters the hose. Open the purge clamp to purge all air bubbles from the cartridge, then close the clamp. Open the shutoff clamp while continuing to kneel on the reservoir. Fill the outlet hose with water. Now, flip the reservoir over so that its hose port is facing up. Kneel on the reservoir and force only air through the inlet hose all the way through to the cartridge, twice just to ensure accuracy. Sometimes trapped air will escape, causing a few bubbles, but the cartridge is still good.
It's a survival arrowhead. Fell out of the package, and boy, that thing is, it wants to go into stuff. Look at it.
No, it's just a pretty cool little thing. Also made by Martok. I'll show you this. Unscrew the top, and out pops a little bit of sponge. Stops it rattling about. You can fill this up with matches, or if you want to put some additional weight in it for when you're going to throw it. Use water or sand, little pills. Got these prongs, 3 prongs that screw into the side. There you go. Didn't tighten that one up correctly. These were originally designed for bomb disposal guys in the Middle East. They tie some paracord to it and then basically fire it to grab a tripwire.
Bedroll style sleeping bag with a fitted airbed that packs up in a weatherproof duffel. Made in Asheville, North Carolina. Pine cone, root, or rock. You'll have time to consider on a thin sleeping mat. Poor night's sleep on the hard ground is the #1 complaint of tent campers. Others include blowing off, too hot, and no room to move. I wanted comfort, so I searched online and at stores where I found backcountry gear all about ounces. Most camping is done in the summer in a tent at a campground. Trek Roll, a roomy bedroll with a thick airbed. We added side panels to make elbow room, zippers on both sides for ease of use, comfortable fabric to sleep on, a built-in foot pump so you can set up anywhere. The airbed is secured so you don't roll off, and the bedroll is machine washable.